Stress management, number 2, this is about being resigned to your day. We go out and we have a huge day. We have 10, 30 commits that we can't make. We have deadlines that we want to do. We had dinner plans. We had stuff to do with our kids. We haven't seen our kids. We barely get to see them, make bath time. We only see them at night. You barely get to see your wife. All these variables that happen throughout your life that you get upset about, that you really can't control when you're out on route. And when we're out on route, the concept that I'm sure you've heard other drivers say is one package at a time. And it's kind of cliche. And in the beginning, I was like, okay, yeah, one package at a time. But after I became a driver and I understood the process of what one package at a time actually meant, it was me understanding the fact that when I am focused on the task I have, the next package I have to deliver, that is a concept of living in the now, living in the present moment. And when you live in the present moment, you are able to, you don't have the stress, you don't have the what ifs, you're not concentrating on the future. And when you're concentrating on the future, there's anxiety, right? Because you can't experience anxiety in the now per se. Like, you can feel the urgency of you having to get that 10:30 commit off, or you having to do all your business before you start your pickups. You understand that, and that's what speeds you up. But if you're not going to make that 10:30 commit, no matter what you do, you have to be resigned to that. You have to understand that, okay, I know that I can't make this. So you just have to do the next actions, which is, I just got to deliver my next stop. Okay, you look in the back of your truck has a ton of packages. You could barely get out there. When you are so stressed out and thinking about all the stuff that you can't do, you're not living in the moment. In the moment, all you have to do is grab the next package out and deliver it. And that could be hard. That could be hard because it's frustrating. It's stressful. There's a lot of things that can't be done. And so one package at a time. So you go through and you're able to go through life much more smoothly. All the packages seem to come off a lot more better. When you're frustrated, that's when mistakes happen. And when mistakes happen, you can get injured. Okay, you could injure other people. You can get in accidents. Your stress goes up. Your health goes down. Okay, you are going and yelling at your management team in your head, or explaining to your wife why you're not able to come in late, or getting ready to have that argument. When you are resigned to your day, you understand that, yes, I have a messed up day. Yes, I have a choice of how I want to view this day or how I conduct myself. Do I allow the emotions to control me and dictate how and who I am as a person? No, don't do that. You don't have to do that. You can live and deliver one package at a time, which is saying, I'm just going to concentrate on getting this one package on, and everything else, I'll deal with the problems when they pop up, right? You can't solve any problems or get packages delivered in your head, right? All you can do is you can go out and deliver your packages and do your job, right? And that is one thing that you really have to understand about this job, is be resigned to it. It's hard to make plans after work. It's hard to always be there for all your kids' games, for all your kids' bedtimes, for all the kid bath times, all those things, which are very important. But if you want this job, if you're going to do this job, you have to have that balance, that proper mindset. What will be more beneficial in the long run is your attitude, the way that you conduct yourself in front of your children, in front of your wife, to your boss, being resigned, being composed, a composed person that understands that I just go out there and I deliver one package at a time, not freaking out, throwing boxes, ripping your hand truck out, packages falling all over the place, you driving like a maniac, throwing your load all over the place. I know you've done that. I've done it. And it's rookie stuff. It's not the way that we need to conduct ourselves. We need to be composed and control our day by controlling our mind and our emotions. And it gets easier with time. It's not something you do one day, you just choose to do that. You understand the fact that you always have a choice of how you can conduct yourself in your day. And to live into the present moment, live into the now, you deliver one package at a time. All right? Pretty deep stuff, but you guys can do it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, you can follow me at on Instagram at UPS_Chris. And I'm not sure if that's exactly right, but I'm in there if you look for my profile picture. And then on Instagram, I can answer some questions or do daily stories, which can be more contact. I'm also doing a review on boots here coming up next week, so be sure to watch out for that. Be sure to like this video and also share it to some other UPS drivers to help them, help the newer guys out, right? Give them a little bit of help, and you know, conduct yourself as a professional, because you guys are professionals. We're wearing the UPS Browns. Be that UPS driver. All right, guys, have a good day.